Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Walmart account online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to be using my laptop, and in particular I'm going to open up Google Chrome, and then from here I'm going to type in Walmart, and I'm going to go to walmart.com, and now I am going to sign in on the top right hand corner, because you need to sign in to delete your account. So I'm going to click on sign in. I'm going to go through the sign in process. I'm going to pause this video and get back to you once I'm signed in. Alright, once you're signed in, what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and right at the very bottom there is an option called delete account. Go ahead and click onto that, and then go through the process of deleting your account. If you got issues deleting your account, you can always contact Walmart's customer service. I'm on the customer service part of their website, which is corporate.walmart.com about contact. So once you're here, scroll down and you can give them a call on this number, or you can reach out to them on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, etc. And yeah, ask them to help delete your account.